Hi, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. It's Wednesday the 10th of April. Apologies, I've not been on for a while. It's just that we've been so busy and hadn't had a lot of time to make some videos. But this one is a great job in a place called Stillington. It's a small, beautiful village outside of York. It's one of our Vista style models. It's quite a simple arrangement really, but really effective because it's 3 meters wide. So in the width it's 3 meters, and projection or length, we call it projection, it's 4 meters that way. It's in anthracite. It's got a ivory coloured roof, which is really nice because it makes it feel light underneath, but it also contrasts the porcelain tiles on the floor. And we've got two automated zip blinds, one in this aspect and one in the side aspect towards the garden, just to keep the wind off. And the sun mainly comes from this angle, so it's perfect to put them there. We're delighted with it, and just one particular point is that this patio is on quite an angle. You may be able to see it on the video. So what we had to do to compensate for that is we had to get the two of the legs 9 centimeters longer than the other two to compensate, because obviously you want to fit the pergola level. That's me done for now. If you want to get in touch, you can do it via the website or the phone numbers. Everything you need to know on there. And thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.